Hi, I'm Sanjay Kapoor. I run this beautiful campus which has been put in Hyderabad to promote the trade of state of Andhra Pradesh. HITEX, which is a short form of Hyderabad International Trade Exposition Limited, is a joint venture between Larsen and Toubro and the Andhra Pradesh state government. This particular campus was started about 6 years back with a vision to make Hyderabad as one of the cities of Germany where trade promotion activities take, and the cities and the states are actually benefited in a large way through collections of revenue through this activity. We feel that HITEX is actually a platform to give an opportunity to the entrepreneurs and the industrialists of Andhra Pradesh in particular and the country. Well, we believe that HITEX is providing a platform to the entrepreneurs and the industry at large at Hyderabad and in Andhra Pradesh state to give an opportunity to brainstorm, showcase and have some kind of a networking across the businesses across the world. We work like an NGO, and we try to provide as much facilities for the incoming and trade exhibitions which happen here, and also the various kinds of conferences. Till about 4 years since the inception of this particular facility in Hyderabad, which is actually the best facility today available in India in terms of infrastructure, in terms of a campus where you have a world-class exhibition center, a world-class convention center, a 5-star hotel, and all facilities which an organizer of any kind of a conference or an exhibition thinks to gain, he has everything as a one-stop shop here with us. Since the inception of this facility till last year, we were just providing a venue to various organizers across the world to provide trade activities. Since about a year from now, we have changed our business model and we are organizing our own shows in line of the policies of state government. As to give you an example, whatever SEZ has been announced in Andhra Pradesh, we have tried to put a trade exposition around that particular SEZ theme, and we are going to do these shows by the end of this financial year. Apart from that, to make life easier from the various international organizers and the national organizers who come to us, we are providing a one-stop shop in terms of hotel bookings, in terms of transportation, say airline bookings, so on and so forth, stall fabrication, everything one requires so that he can feel at ease and bring more and more shows for the development of the city and the state. We have an endeavor, and we appeal to all people who are concerned with that we should develop this particular facility to a newer level and see that how we can develop Hyderabad as one of the cities in Germany. Just to give you an example how there is a direct relationship with the trade promotion and the exhibition industry in the world. After the Second World War, when Germany totally collapsed, Hanover was built, and that time GDP of Germany was close to 2.5%. Today, Hanover is a big city in itself. The entire city gains from the revenue they get from various exhibitions which are held in Hanover. People know that city by the name of Fair City. And the GDP of Germany is to a different level together. That was World War II. Let's talk about China. 7 years back, Chinese have 249 square kilometer of infrastructure to do the trade promotion in China, and their GDP was again at around 2.5%. 7 years later, they have close to about 4,000 square kilometer of venue as infrastructure to promote trade, and their GDP is soaring. I think we Indians should take a clue from both these examples, and all the state governments and the central governments need to look into this activity, that how the GDP of the country is directly have a correlation with the growth of the exhibition industry at large. And with that message, I hope that we will be able to give this a momentum and see how my country and my state and my city gains a lot through this trade promotion activities.